Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiran has asserted that BJP government is working to safeguard the interests of future generation and has advised against any politicization on any development plans of government. Chief Minister said this on the 53rd Statehood Day observance, which was held at 1st MR Parade Ground, commemorating the day when Manipur became the 19th Indian state on January 21, 1972. The observance was marked by march past from 20 contingents of Manipur police. Speaking further in the program, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiran highlighted various projects and programs that were taken up by his government, such as Nambul River Rejuvenation Project, Imphal River Project, and also about upcoming road concretization projects in Greater Imphal and in Hill District headquarters. Further, Chief Minister Bambiran also announced that hospitals with modern amenities and equipment such as MRI, CT scan facilities will be constructed at Senapati, Ukhrul, Tamenglong and Chandel district with a budget outlay of about 100 crore rupees. While urging people to stop politicizing on matters concerning development project, Chief Minister Biren appealed people to raise their complaint directly to government. As part of Statehood Day observance, Chief Minister presented Lifetime Achievement Award to renowned theatre director Ratan Thiam. Chief Minister also presented Commendation Award to the family of late SDPO Chingtham Anand. Assam DGP Gyanendra Pratap Singh was also felicitated during the program in appreciation for his role in overseeing the training for Manipur police personnel in Assam. Superintendent of Police Kang Pokpi and Chandel were also felicitated during the program. Chief Minister also released a book titled Know Your Manipur on the occasion.
BJP government generation intact, fully protected. Like home I go in a day. I go in a SKTV. I'm just SKTV. We will push it among them. I don't want to company from Kanam. But Nasigi generations, Lakata generations in Kalaka. Rick slowly money. Numa in a Qatar, Piraga, CM, or Gamansi, or William Yavapun. Nasi Punny slowly said, I am Praza. How is it? Miron, Nasigi Miron, I am. I don't know. बात आना जब वाले बकुना मग वाली सारना रोशन नसी बात आना जब खुदी मग एक कोई अमीन नसी अदुगा एक कोई मसेल की मरता पंगांग अंगना बात पंतों तो बात इशूंदे की डाइवर्ट तक उन्हें होना बसी मारी कोई टोमी नसी सिंगल एगो एक केरा तमदर एगो एक केरा कोई इंगाराम सुमारिंग विधाय बिले कोई कराम दा करीमदा कोई हाई बिले के तो सुमने की मपांदगी लाखों सिंधु मपम जाना खंडोक्सी मपम जाना थादोक्सी हान लेडी भाई कोई ट्राई कोई गुंडा की कुछ तो एक तरह ले मिलती हाई बखत नहीं अगले आनो बुद्धसो तुम लाने ना बा ममिंग पकोल द थोड़ा 2003 दा ट्राई का मखर any the ट्राई जो काई देखते हैं बाता any तो ले कोई फिल्म में any ले कोई फिल्म में बात पोत में बात हाई रोगे any जो हाँ ने की सही है करने any से ट्राई लेके बा any ट्राई से अगलो सुकुम्बा blunders में आमना मशीदी से कोई